Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a simple double bow, and I'm using ribbon that is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So you're going to let out a tail, and then you're going to pinch the ribbon together, and I like to hold mine in my left hand so I have it pinched together. Now I'm just going to take and make a loop and pinch it together and place it back in my left hand. And let's measure to see how long our loop is. So if we measure, it's about a 5-inch loop, maybe just a little less. So I'm going to try to make loops the same size on each side. Now you can kind of see how the ribbon is turned. So I'm going to just let it kind of turn the way it wants to turn and make another loop on the right side. Pinching it together with my right hand, placing it in my left. Then let's check to make sure our loops are the same size on both sides. Okay, see how the ribbon's turned now? So we're just going to work with the ribbon and not fight against it. I'm going to make another loop, about a 5-inch loop, pinch it together, add it to my hand, check to make sure they're about the same size. Okay, for this last loop, notice how the ribbon is turned this way. So what we're going to do is take the ribbon, just kind of fold it over the top. See how I'm going over the top and the design's showing pretty? Place it in my left hand, check to make sure my loops are the same size. Now we're going to let out a tail, pat our tail. Now you're going to want to have a zip tie or some floral wire close by, and I'm using a zip tie. We're just going to wrap it around the center of our bow. Pull it nice and tight. Let me trim off this extra part real quick. Okay, we're going to dovetail the ends. We want both of our tails about the same length. So let me cut that one shorter. Okay, so we're going to take our tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that's going to make the pretty V on the end. Let's do it to our other tail. Take it, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Now since I used a zip tie, I'm going to take this piece of 20 gauge floral wire, thread it underneath my zip tie. That way I can easily attach my bow to my craft project. So just be very careful and thread your wire underneath your zip tie. Just be patient. Here it comes. Okay, so now I have my wire. Now it's time to fluff and shape my bow. You can give the wire a twist if you want. Okay, so this is what we're going to use to attach our bow to the wreath or whatever craft project you're working on. Okay, now we're going to take, fluff and shape our bow. Make sure your tails are facing forward, and then you're going to put your hand in each loop and open it up and shape your bow. Okay, now you have a pretty double bow. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this tutorial. For this double bow, I used 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. I also used some 20 gauge floral wire, and I used a 4-inch cable tie or zip tie and my scissors. So I hope this helps you.